Hey, everyone, welcome back to NextGen Investors, your trusted source for crypto and stock market insights. Today, we're diving deep into XRP, one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies this year. We'll cover its recent price surge, the latest news, what experts predict next, and also some important safety tips to protect your investments. If you want to stay ahead of the crypto market in 2025, make sure to watch till the end. XRP's current market situation. Let's start with XRP's current price and market status as of July 2025. XRP is trading around $3.50 to $3.56 USD, which translates roughly to 275 Indian rupees to 290 Indian rupees INR. This is a massive surge compared to earlier in the year, representing more than a 25% weekly gain. This rise follows a strong breakout from key resistance levels and a major rally after Ripple resolved its legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. XRP is currently the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, hovering around $210 billion US. Technically, XRP has formed strong bullish patterns, including an inverse head and shoulders, and indicators like the MACD and RSI support a healthy upward momentum. What's driving XRP's surge? So, what exactly is pushing XRP's price higher? Here are the key catalysts. Regulatory clarity. The SEC settlement in May 2025 cleared major legal uncertainty. Ripple paid a $50 million settlement but did not admit wrongdoing. This has encouraged institutional investors to come back. XRP ETFs. July 2025 was pivotal, with multiple futures ETFs launching, including ProShares XRP Futures ETFs, Tuttle Capital, and REX shares. Grayscale included XRP in its digital large cap fund ETF, increasing its exposure to traditional investors. Spot XRP ETFs are still awaiting approval, but analysts expect green lights as early as October 2025. Ripple's bank charter application. Ripple filed for a national bank charter with the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. If approved, this will let Ripple operate as a federally regulated bank, opening deeper integration with traditional financial systems. XRP Ledger, XRPL, developments. The EVM sidechain mainnet launched June 30, 2025, enabling Ethereum-style smart contracts on XRP. Over 1,400 smart contracts were deployed in the first week, indicating strong developer interest. Ripple's USD-backed stablecoin, Lust, launched in late 2024 and is gaining traction. Growing institutional interest and whale accumulation. Whale wallets holding over 1 million XRP are at all-time highs, showing strong long-term interest. Total open interest in XRP futures exceeded $10.4 billion, signaling serious institutional capital flowing in. XRP price predictions. What's next for XRP in terms of price? Let's look at expert views. Short-term, next 1 to 3 months XRP may fluctuate between $3.40 and $3.80. Support levels to watch are around $2.25 and $2.98, while resistance is at $3.60 and $4.50. A breakout above $4 could trigger further rallies. End of 2025. Some analysts expect XRP to hit $4.50 to $6, especially if spot ETFs get approval and adoption grows. Others remain conservative, predicting $3 to $4. Mid to long term, 2026 to 2030. Projections vary widely. Optimistic forecasts see XRP reaching $10 to $25, driven by tokenization of assets and increased XRP ledger adoption. Some very aggressive price targets go as high as $110 or even $179 by 2040, assuming massive institutional adoption and global regulatory acceptance. Remember, crypto markets are volatile. Always treat predictions as potential scenarios, not guarantees. XRP ecosystem growth and utility. XRP is not just a token, it's the native currency of the XRP ledger, XRPL, which is growing fast. XRPL now averages 2.14 million daily transactions, a 60% increase in payment-related activity. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, has processed over $15 billion in cross-border payments in 2024. New partnerships with global banks like Travelex Brazil, Axis Bank India, Union Bank Philippines, and more validate real-world use. The ledger now supports tokenized U.S. Treasuries and 5 fiat-backed stablecoins, creating new demand for XRP as the gas token for these transactions. All this means XRP's utility and demand could grow far beyond speculative trading. Important safety tips for crypto investors. Before we wrap up, let's talk safety, because protecting your crypto is just as important as knowing where it's headed. Don't keep all your coins on one exchange. Exchanges can be hacked or face regulatory shutdowns. Always diversify where you store your assets, use hardware wallets, multiple exchanges, or trusted custodial solutions. Use hardware wallets for long-term holding. For large amounts of XRP or any crypto, a hardware wallet, like Ledger or Trezor, provides the best security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA wherever you trade or store crypto. Activate 2FA for an extra layer of security. Beware of scams and phishing. Never share your private keys or seed phrases. Avoid clicking suspicious links or sending crypto to unknown addresses. Keep software updated, whether your wallet or exchange app, always update to the latest version to patch security vulnerabilities. Research before investing. Don't blindly follow hype or predictions. Study projects, check official sources, and only invest money you can afford to lose. Conclusion and disclaimer. To sum up, XRP is currently on an exciting growth trajectory, driven by regulatory clarity, institutional interest, and technological innovation. While price predictions look optimistic, remember the crypto market is highly volatile and can change rapidly. Always do your own research, manage your risks, and keep your assets secure. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching NextGen Investors. See you in the next video.